Hello everyone, my name is Codemaster Jamal and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am proud to announce that as of today, you will officially be able to download the open beta test version of Virtual Monsters RPG from my website at mw-industries.com. You will also be able to find this version of the game on itch and GameJolt. Now, there are a few issues with the game, and before anyone tells me they found errors, in fact, if you find anything interesting or an error or some kind of bug, make sure you post it on the forums or in Discord, regardless of what I have to say next. Just realize that this isn't a finished game by far, and there are probably going to be a few problems with the game itself. For the most part, in this version of the game, you'll be able to log in, create a new character, or delete your character, and then hop into the game world. In this version of the game, you will be able to explore the Frozen Path level that I created and showcased earlier this year. For now, there isn't much to do in this game except walk around and use the chat to talk with other players, but I wanted to include more maps in the game and more interactions, but currently, as I'm stressed for time, I couldn't include every feature possible. That being said, if it's possible, I may include an update later where you will be able to explore the Bluetopian region of the real world and the very first level of the virtual world called Serverland. I like to get this game to the point where that is possible. If not, there's always next time. I only intend to keep the open beta around for just 1 month. As of now, the official server for Virtual Monsters RPG open beta test will be open until roughly November 5th. The latest it'll be available will be November 10th. In order to play the open beta, you will need an MW Industries account to log into the game and a beta test key to activate your game. Getting a beta test key is very easy. You just have to post on the forums, but there should already be a few that are already active. You just have to search the forums or speak with us in Discord. In fact, as I was writing the script, I didn't actually have the link to it. I'll post a link to the topic where I have a couple of keys that are still active. I'll post it in the description of this video below, and then I'll also showcase something on my screen here where I still have a few keys that are active actually. So that's about it. We also have a contact form that you can use to contact us with additional information. The beta test is available to everyone that wants to join, and right now we are not making it exclusive as we need as many people as possible. I waited a very long time to do this, and I just want to say thank you to everyone that sent their hopeful wishes to me. I tried my best to get this game up and running as soon as possible. If possible, I will include an update for the game. When you download the game, you will be given a launcher that will automatically update the game as long as you have it running on your machine. The open beta is meant for PC, and yes, I would like to port my games to mobile, but as of right now, it's not entirely possible, but not impossible either. It just takes a lot of work. In all honesty, I'm not getting paid for anything, so you guys can really help me by visiting my website, as the ads that I run on my website actually help me pay for my server. If it's possible, I would like to release a lot of my games for free actually, and the only way you can actually help me out is by actually visiting my website, posting on the forums, and there's a lot of interactable things that you can actually do with the website. There's sort of a wiki page that I started with Virtual Monsters and Tales of Amadaria, and just interact with my website. There's gonna be more things you can do eventually. I will be hosting games on the site. We'll talk about things for the future later in another video. And as I was saying, I would hope to make a living making games, but getting my company off the ground has been some real work. I'll talk about this later in upcoming videos on this channel. For now, I just put my games up and see who gets their attention. I really want to test the limits of this game, but I expect crashes and errors in less than an hour. Once again, thank you to everyone that decided to support me on this adventure. I would also like to announce that I'm working on releasing an unfinished version of Tales of Amadaria TCG as well. I figured since I got the server for a month, why not try to feature more than one game? I'm a firm believer in multitasking. It's unfortunate, but later on I will have some bad news to bear, and I hate being the bearer of bad news, but it is what it is. And seeing how everyone has been waiting for this game for a while, I'll just keep quiet about it until much later. For now, enjoy the game. I'm hoping to come out with more updates for it, and if possible, I might be able to keep the game online for a bit longer. If I generate enough revenue using traffic to the website, I'll be able to keep it up for at least a year or another month or so. Who knows? So the best thing you can ever do for me is visit my website. As of right now, this is my best source of income for my games. I know advertisements bother a lot of people, but you're watching this video on YouTube and most likely have to deal with some form of advertisements regardless. If you like watching this video, make sure to leave a like and share the video with your friends and family. And more importantly, make sure to subscribe to the channel. You can also leave messages in the comments if you come across any issues during the beta test of this game, or if you simply put just want to tell us how you feel about the game, good or bad, and the channel. We also have a merch store that you can check out to help support the channel. Any items purchased will go towards supporting virtual monsters. And once again, I can't express how I feel in words, the amount of appreciation I get from online supporters. Let's just say in my personal real life, I'm not entirely loved the same way as I am online. I read all the comments and respond to all the comments. I greatly appreciate any kind words anyone has to share with me. Thanks a million. Keep making games. Till next time, this is Codemaster Jamal, and I'm signing out.